Montessori School, Sanjeevani Nagar, Jabalpur welcomes you today to study social science of primary level. Yes, today we are going to read about our rich culture. We all know our country is full of rich culture. पहले इंडिया को सोने की चिड़िया कहते थे. चलिए, if you like my channel, kindly subscribe for Wonder World Montessori School, Sanjeevani Nagar, Jabalpur, and let's start with our rich culture. Let's know what our rich culture is. अभी आप बच्चे हो ना, अभी जब बड़े हो जाओगे तब अपने कल्चर के बारे में बहुत कुछ जान लोगे. आज चलिए थोड़ी बहुत बातें इस कल्चर के बारे में जानते हैं. India is rich in art and culture. Indian languages, dresses, dances, music, monuments, paintings, handicrafts, and festival enrich the culture of India. The first comes is language. There are 22 languages recognized by Constitution of India. Hindi and English are the official language. Most languages are written from left to right, but Kashmiri, Sindhi, and Urdu are written from right to left. Next we come with dresses. India, the people of India wear many different types of dresses all over the country. Then we have the dance. India is very known for very rich with its dance heritage. Folk and classical are two types of dances. Folk dances are performed in marriages, births of children, festivals, etc. And the classical dances take part in, usually in temples. And some famous classical dancers are Pandit Birju Maharaj, Sharmila Biswas, Malika Sarabhai, and Sonal Mansingh. Next come music. India is very well known for its music. Music is also of two kinds, folk and classical. The Bhigu Geet of Assam, Pandavani of Chhattisgarh, Bhavagat Giti of Karnataka, and Bol Sangeet of West Bengal are some examples of folk music. Classical music is Hindustani and Carnatic music. Hindustani music developed in north and Carnatic music developed in south. Then we come to monuments. There is unlimited monuments in India, and these monuments, they have peculiar pillars, and they have very nice stupas, like stupa of Sachi built by Emperor Ashok. Then there are temples of Mahabalipuram, and there are many examples of this which we cannot count. Akbar built the Fatehpur Sikri and Taj Mahal, of course. Portuguese built in Goa. The Britishers, they built the Rashtrapati Bhavan and Parliament House in Delhi and Victoria Memorial in Kolkata. So there are many monuments in India. Paintings, of course, yes. India is very famous for its wall paintings on the caves, and there is Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh near Itarsi, and there they have beautiful paintings, and of course Ajanta and Ellora. Then we have handicraft. India has always been known for its handicraft, the lovely decorative items, and terracotta work and bamboo work. So there is many handicrafts India is known for. Festivals, of course, there are so many festivals. As there are many types of people residing in India, we have many festivals. The national festival, of course, 15th August, 26th January, and the Gandhi Jayanti. Then we have the religious festival where like Guru Purnima, then Harvest Festival, Vaishakhi, then special festivals. We have many special festivals in Konark Festival in Odisha, Desert Festival in Rajasthan, and Taj Mahotsav in Uttar Pradesh, Ran Utsav in Gujarat, and there are so many festivals in India. So now I am sure everybody knows how rich our country is and how we are taking this heritage from one generation to another, and we have to save our generation and take care. We have to save our heritage and take care of this. With this, thank you.